In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions in Edge. First, launch Edge from your end. You will see the familiar browser window open up. This is the gateway to manage your permissions effectively. Launching the browser is a crucial first step because it sets the stage for all the configurations you will be making. Once open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will help you navigate easily through the settings as we proceed. Next, click the three dots in the top right corner. These three dots are also known as the menu button. When you click on it, a drop-down menu appears, revealing various options. This action is important because it gives you access to the settings you need to adjust your permissions. Make sure to look for the right option as you will need to select the settings from this menu in the next step. From there, select Settings from the drop-down menu. The Settings panel will open and you'll see various categories related to your browser's functionality. This part is significant because it allows you to customize how Edge operates according to your preferences. Take a moment to scan through the available options. This will prepare you for what you can modify later on. After that, click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section is where the privacy features of Edge are conveniently grouped. By accessing this area, you are taking control of your online safety and data management. You will notice different settings related to your privacy and how Edge interacts with online services. Being aware of these settings is vital for a safer browsing experience. Now click on Site Permissions in the left-hand sidebar. This option will lead you to the specific permissions you can manage for individual websites. Here, you can see how Edge handles permissions like location, camera access, and more. This is particularly crucial because it allows you to dictate which sites can access certain features. It keeps your browsing experience tailored to your needs and enhances your security. With that ready, scroll down to the All Permissions section. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of all the permissions available for adjustment. This section is important because it consolidates various permissions in one place, making it easier for you to review and manage them. Take your time to look through the options, as this will help you make informed decisions about what permissions to grant or deny. Next up, select a feature such as location, camera, microphone, or pop-ups and redirects. This selection allows you to focus on specific permissions that may impact your browsing experience. Choosing a feature is crucial because it determines how websites can interact with your device. For example, if you select location, you can control which sites can track your whereabouts. This gives you greater control over your privacy. Finally, use the toggle switch to set your preference, whether you want to allow or block access. This toggle makes it easy to manage your choices. This step is particularly important as it finalizes your permission settings. Once you flip the switch, you will see a confirmation appear, ensuring that your preferences are saved. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your settings are now in effect. By following these steps, you can effectively manage permissions in Edge. Remember, taking the time to configure these settings enhances your browsing experience and safeguards your privacy. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.